Itudlo da.
Ang Lola, ang Lolo, si Tatay, si Ana.
Okay, ano obra ni Mami?
Ano, work?
Ano work ya?
Kuya.
Gasulat. Si Tatay.
I'm hammer in the morning, I'm hammer in the evening.
Hello, Mommy. Happy birthday to you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Twinks! Hope you have a lovely time and celebrate with style and fun with your friends and family. Di ano ginhanda mo for your 50th birthday? Maybe damo giguro namin, no? Well, I wish I was there, but I hope as well that you're gonna have an awesome time, and I wish you all the fun, the happiness, and love, most importantly. So may the next 50 years of your life be more incredible than this one. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hello, Inday Twinks! Happiest golden birthday, my dear friend! Bisan wala ko ka-attend, but still, God knows. Langga-langga tagid ka. Wishing you a good health, a happy life. Keep safe always. God bless, and more birthdays to come.
Hello, Twinkle! Surprise! The happiest of the 50th birthday to you, my dear classmate. I am sending you my love, my hugs, and my kisses. Classmate, you are an amazing person. You are someone who is full of energy, has a positive approach in life, and just naturally funny. And to top all of this, I think you're the kindest and the nicest person I know. So, happy birthday to you, my dear classmate, and wishing you the best and the biggest birthday celebration as you turn half a century old. Look after yourself.
Happy birthday, Chris.
Baw, masingpinta na tagali sininga tuig. Anyhow, wishing you all the best sa imong 50th birthday. As you can see, I'm sitting in the traffic diri sa Atlanta on my way to work. Pero because I probably won't have the time to do it at work, so I'm doing it now while I'm driving. Happy birthday, Liwat. Enjoy kada. Stay bubbly, stay high-spirited, stay joyful, and stay blessed. Hopefully, makakitay kita sa pagbalik ko Liwat dira sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday! God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone! Good evening! Bao 50th birthday na sang friend ko. Twinkle! 50 ka na! 50 na tagali ka tuwa. So anyway, age is just a number. Let's enjoy na lang ako anong may ara kita. Isang tikaso lang basta healthy, no? So pasensya ka na kung wala ko yan nakapuli kay kapatid pa naman niya kalayo yan sa akon. Tapos lupok ako yan subong. Ika ako yan sa arthritis ko. But anyway, enjoy lang daan. Sadya-sadya lang ang muda. Enjoy the 50th birthday mo. Nakita ko na bongga gining preparation mo kay nabasahan ko man sa group chat ang mga number. Post lang ang muda sang post lang ang muda sang pictures nyo yung tanaw lang ko sa inyo. Bawi lang ko pag makapuli na ko. Twins, I miss you. Happy 50th birthday. Wish ko sa birthday mo good health lang Kung sa kwarta wala ka naman problema sa kwarta kay manggaranon ka naman. Diba? Mapadali lang ko di pala yan sa Riyadh. Ikaw na magpadala sa ako sa Riyadh kung makal ticket para makapuli ko. But anyway, enjoy lang ka muna. I miss you guys. Twinkle, I miss you so much. I love you. Kita na ito very soon. Surprise lang ko sa inyo. Dito ako mapabalon kung saan ako mapuli. Basta surprise! Hindi na yung prank. It's surprise! Twinkle, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy na na. I will not take long kasi kay kabalog ko nga busy makamuda. Ano tawag sini? Gamay lang ang time na ginhatag sa akon man. So, wish ko sa inyo good health lang and more blessings to come. Enjoy life to the highest level. Ha? Bye-bye! Love you, twins! Bye-bye!
Surprise, twins! Happy birthday, twins! Happy 50th birthday to you. I wish you all the great things and blessings in life. May you find peace, love, and happiness with your family. I'm grateful and blessed to have you as my friend for all these years, and may we continue that friendship till we grow old. Pasensya, I won't be there for you, but I know that you are having a great time with friends and family celebrating your birthday today. I love you, and I hope to see you soon, and I miss you all. So happy birthday and enjoy. Bye.
Every time we discuss something, I would welcome you to Club 50. I was there 2 years ago, or probably 3 years now. I was way ahead of you, but I think I would rather describe it as like some people age like fine wine. The older it gets, the better it becomes. I think you are one of the person that fits into that category, and I'm very proud to consider you as one of my friends, and I wanted to be your friend. I think for a considerable future, right? I would just say that being 50 or being on this category that you are you're almost reaching the senior citizen level. I think what I would say is that we should still continue pushing boundaries, continue to test our limits. There are more bucket list to fulfill, right? And I think by the time the next milestone comes in, there are more memories to talk to. Right? So continue being yourself, and I'm very proud to be considered as one of your friends. Okay. I wish you a very happy birthday, and I wish I could be there to enjoy this special moment.
Hi, Twinkle! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Today is your special day, syempre. Ayun, ang pinaka-wish ko sa'yo ay maging good health at ilayo sa anumang sakit at malusog na pangatawan. At syempre, at umabot ka ng 100 birthday. Ayun, maraming salamat to my loving sister at mapagmahal at understanding at napaka-sweet na sister kay Ate Bing. Ayun, maraming salamat. Regards kay Mother Carmen, love you. We love you.